One of the reasons a woman can lose attraction for you easily is when she notices that you are not respected by other guys or peers. Women want a man who other men respect. This is because a woman who walks with a guy who is respected will be accorded the same respect given to the guy. Women get their value from men. That is why they always date up, no matter how broke or bad a woman is. Once she relates with any man, she assumes his value immediately. This is why women want highly placed men in society. So a man that has no value or is not respected by his friends will struggle to get the respect of a girl he is going out with. Even if she respects you so much, once she notices that you do not have value in the midst of other guys, and they do not respect you or your presence, she will begin to slowly drift away from you. It is a huge turnoff for women. This is why you need to work on yourself. Discover your purpose. Work on your finances. Build a business. Go to the gym and build your body. No man will respect you if you have not put your life together or built yourself. Men only respect fellow men with results. Once you have the results, and they can see the value in you, wherever you move into, people turn their heads to see who is moving in, because your presence carries value and weight. So if you haven't developed yourself, put your life together, and become financially free, do not prioritize women first. Put your purpose first. Build your finances and your life. Because if these are not put together first, no woman will respect you. So forget about that girl. She's going to be there always. But the time you fail to utilize to develop yourself is gone forever. Once you are able to put yourself together, respect follows immediately. Any woman that has access to you at such a point will never want to leave. So whatever you do not be the guy that will be disrespected by other guys, especially when a girl you are seeing is around. The respect she has for you will begin to diminish over time. If she notices that your boys do not respect you, this does not apply only to your friends or your boys. It applies even in a strange environment. If your presence does not command respect, and anybody can disrespect you without any consequences, a woman around you at the moment would begin to think if she made the right choice by choosing you. So build yourself. Have a great masculine body. Improve your fashion. This will command respect outside. And watch how that girl will respect you more if she notices that people outside respect and value you. Develop yourself so you'll attract respect wherever you go. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.